Paddington is back here tomorrow morning. Max and Roscoe, you're getting a thumbs up this morning. You two decided to do a litter pick so that the plastic did not end up in the sea and hurt any animals. How amazing is that? Here it comes. It's your milkshake.
Thumbs up!
Keep up the good work, you two. Now, who's ready for some more Peppa Pig? I am.
Even in the wild, wild west, cowboys do chores. Seen this playroom? It's time to do yours. Milkshake, sponsored by Matalan.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Parking ticket.
Peppa and George are playing in their bedroom. They have made a bit of a mess.
My goodness, what a mess!
Oh, sometimes, Peppa, you could do a tiny bit of tidying up.
Then we wouldn't